Hi. Is everyone joining in? Super. Can see people? Lovely. Lovely. Okay. Hi. Setting up my angle. Okay. Hi everyone. Join in quickly. We're going to have a real fun session of dance and fitness together. Are people there? I've set up my angle, so I'm not able to know how many are already there. Till you all join in, I'm going to talk about the session and what you can expect from it. So first of all, a very, very warm welcome to all of you. And the session is all about dance and fitness together and how it is something you should incorporate in your daily workout routine. So we're going to cover aspects of dance and fitness combined and make it a lot of fun and a lot of, it's going to have a lot of benefits. So yes, fun and benefits together. Yeah? Okay, a little do's and don'ts on the session. So all the ones with chronic joint pain, back pain, knee pain or arthritis are not advised to do this session. So if you are even with people with a history of heart ailments or a history of heart problems, please do not do this session because it's going to be high intensity. Yes, so all the ones who are good and doing a little bit of workout daily or probably with no problems in health can surely do this session and have a lot of fun. Yeah? Okay. Going ahead, we start off with a little warm up. I hope people have joined in. Lovely. Till more people join in, a little about me. I'm Nirali Bharat Someshwar, choreographer and fitness coach, and I have my dance school in Mumbai called Nirali's Happy Feet India. And this session is in association with Jeev Fit, and we've been associated for a long, long time. And I look forward to this beautiful session for all you people at Religare Health Insurance. Let's begin with our session. Make some space for yourself. Keep a napkin and water bottle close to you so that you are absolutely comfortable during the session. Okay? Beginning with a little warm up and I go ahead. Super! Let me just connect the music. Okay, let's go ahead. A little isolation warm up. So you're going to isolate your joints. We begin with the head. Let's go Lovely. Y'all are doing fabulous. Let's go for this. 5. Continue. Back. Back. Rotation. Hip rotation. Lovely. Reverse. Shake your knees in the front and back knees. Lovely. Only the right leg ahead. Move only the right knee. Lovely. Lovely. A little bit of wrist rotation. Everyone with me. Let's go in for wrist rotation. Super. Reverse. All warmed up. Absolutely ready for the dance session. I begin in the next 1 minute. If you've just joined in quickly. Come on everyone. Let's go. Let's have a fun session together. So, just like the sessions are virtual, even the energy is virtual. So even though I can't see y'all, I'm sure I feel a lot of energy. I feel a lot of energy coming from the other side. So yes, rotation of the arm. Lovely. A little bit of stretching quickly. Pull in. Come on. Right hand ahead. Pull your fingers in. Easy stretches. Left. Come on. Pull in. Lovely. You are doing fabulous. Right hand cross to the left. Pull in. Super. Left to the right. Pull in. Lovely. Okay. Shoulders quickly all warmed up. Very, very nice. Super. Keep a water bottle next to you. Please have a lot of water. But later, keep sipping little water. Yeah? Lovely. Super guys. I am beginning with the session. Okay. Talking about the session quickly again, we're going to learn a few hook steps of some very, very famous and peppy Bollywood songs, some new songs, okay? And I am going to teach you like 5 steps of each song quickly, 5 to 6 steps. Okay, I'm going to teach them to you, so we get a little break, and then we're going to dance it on that same song. Yes? Now, for that, you need to know that your directions are all marked correctly. So mark your directions. Because it's a dance session, I want it to be a little more coordinated. Okay, so mark your directions whilst I'm marking my directions. Okay, now this is my front. So I'm your front and you are my front. Okay, so if you're watching me from laptop or phone or TV, that's your front. That is the back. So the temple is my back. Behind you is your back. This is my right. Which is your right? Mark it. Marked? Very good. and this is left. Good. Mark to your left. Quick revision. Forward, back, right and left. Are we all set? Yes? Let's go for it. 5 sessions, 5 steps of the first song that I'm taking up. Okay, so you're going to clap, 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 clap. Okay, so you're clapping on your right and your hip is out. Throwing your hip out on the left side. Super. Come on with me. Guys, okay, I'm stopping for a second. Take your videos. Quickly set up your camera. Take your videos and post it to the page once the session is done. Yes? Awaiting all your videos. Let's go for it. I'm setting it up till then. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little bit of fitness. Squat there. A sumo squat, a mid sumo squat. Hit your shoulder. Kick, 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 kick. Hit, 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 hit. And shake up. Yes, so you're going to shake your shoulder up. Shake. Good. Yes. One more time. 3 steps again. You clap, 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 clap. You hit, 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 and shake. Are we good? Yes? Lovely. Let's go ahead into the next step. Hands up in the air, in the front, squat a little again. Should I teach you how to squat? I know most of you all know it, but I'm going to teach you one more time. Let's go. Feet right below your shoulders. Keep them right below your shoulders. Yeah? And squat with me. That is, push your hip behind and bend your body in the front. Okay? So that's what you're going to do. 5 mid squats is what I want to see from you all. With me, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, excellent. 3, come on. 4, 5, and a 6. Lovely. Super, guys. In that position, you're going to travel in the front. In squat position, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we good? Let's do it again. 5, 6. So you're going to travel in the front in the squat position. The hand goes front and back. Push, push, push. Super. 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull, 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 pull. Are we good? So you're going to bounce in the 5th step, which is pull, 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 pull. How are you going to bounce? Bounce, 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 bounce. Put your heel down. Bounce. Look at my heel. Bounce, 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 bounce. Are we good? 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Bounce right, bounce left. Bend right, bend left. Pull hand, pull hand. Did you get that? Yeah? Super. Connecting all steps together one last time. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are we good? Yeah? A little bit of water? Do you need to sip a little water? Yeah? Quickly have a little water. Keep a bottle right next to you. And let's do this much to music. I set up the music and you have little water. Let's go for it. Lovely. Okay. Okay. 5. Let's go. With now. I'm adding some more to this. Okay, I'm adding another, and then we are going to dance to that and add some more as we progress. Yes, a little piece of information. The session is going to be for 45 minutes. Okay, so till 6:45, post which there's going to be a 10-15 minute question and answer session where you can ask me questions and I will reply to you. Yes, so let's join in again. Are you all fit? Yes, everyone's doing fine. Yes, have a little water, adding some more steps. Next step that I'm adding is from the right, you're going to go to the left. Again, squatting and shoulders again. Okay, so this is very important, yeah. Bhangra beats, साथ में fitness भी हो रहा है. Okay, fitness and Bhangra is a lot of fun and fitness. Yes, let's go. So we go squat and travel from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Throw your hand out and kick your right leg out. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Going the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Throw your hand to the right, leg to the left. Let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we good? Yes? You want to try it one more time? Yeah? Let's go for it. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good? Yeah? Super. Going into the next step, which is left hand up, right hand down. Just pull, 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 pull. Hand exercise, come on. Pull, 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 come on. Pull, pull, pull and pull. Yes, not so simple, okay? We're going to add our legs to it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Super! That was lovely. And going into the last step for this segment, okay? And we go to the next one in some time, which is clap, 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 down, we all good? Is everyone okay? Too much jumping? Yes? Okay, now you don't need to jump as much as I am, especially women who are doing this. Okay, just bounce. How will you do that? Just bounce. Okay, I'm going to do a little knee exercises also after this. Okay, so just bounce. A little bit of dancing and then few knee exercises. Yeah? Okay, doing these entire 10 steps together. Quick revision. 1, 2, shake 3, 4, right, left, 5, good, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good, yeah? With me, one more time, this sequence on Morni Banke. Let's go for it. Lovely guys, lovely. I can feel a lot of energy coming my way. Lovely. Well, the weather is super hot. Whew. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Are you all having fun? Yeah? Okay. Okay, we are sweating. We're gonna just wipe ourselves. Have little water. Just little, okay? And just sit down. Okay? Do you all have a mat or something at home? If not, not needed. Okay? Just sit on the floor. Yeah, quickly have a little water. And I'm starting with knee exercises. Okay? Let's go. Little bit of water, everyone. Come on. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, super. Let's all sit down. Few knee exercises. Okay, just for a little help, I'll just be back. 1 minute. Okay, you're going to roll a little towel and keep it below your knee. I'll show you how. So sit. Can you see me? Yes? Keep a towel below your knee. Can you all see me? Better? Yeah? Okay. And now, knee exercises. Is anyone facing some problem with the knee? Yeah? Let's do this. Press your knee down. Hands are up. You're pressing your knee down by itself, independently. Press your knee down. Release. 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 Did you get that? Very easy. Going into that one more time before we start dancing again. Collect your breath. Okay, collect some energy and let's go for it again. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Press your knee down. Release. Press your knee down. Release. Press your knee down. Release. Press your knee down. Lovely. Going into the next exercise. Now, second exercise for the knee, and that's our last exercise for the knee for today. Okay. In our further sessions to come, we can do some more. But today, yes, let's just begin with 2 and you'll practice this at home. Yeah, one more time. Press your right knee this time and raise your right leg up. Press your right knee, raise your right leg up. Press your right knee, lift it straight up, don't bend. Be careful, don't cramp up. See to it that you're not going into a cramp. One more time, press your right knee, raise your right knee up. Going into the left side. Last time, press left and up. Come on. Press left and up. Press left and up. Press left and up. Going one last time. Into both knees together. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Press both knees and up. Press both knees up. Press both knees up. Come on, straight up. Press both knees. Excellent. Guys, lovely. These are really, really beautiful exercises for the knee. They will really benefit if you have knee pain. Please practice them. Very, very good exercises for arthritis as well. Yes, so please do them. Make use of it. Yes. And we go into a little bit of simple exercises before I go into an intense dance session again. Okay. Everyone, left leg up. Both hands up. Don't close your eyes. Focus at a point. Hold. 1, 2, 10 counts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax. Deep breathing. The other leg up. Let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent. Holding in sumo squat. Spread your legs out. What is a sumo squat? Holding 7 counts and then 5 sumo squats together. 5. Spread your legs out, hands up, down in squat position, back straight, hold. 1, 2, come on, look at me. 3, 4, 5, come on, it's hurting, I know. 6, come on, gone, done. 7, last one, 8, and up and down. Up, last 3 to go, come on. Up, down, come on, up. Last 2 to go, come on, up. Down, last one. And down. You did it. Lovely, guys. You all are fabulous. Lovely. Very nice. Can we go ahead into some more dancing? Yes, we all love dancing more than the squatting, no? Yeah? Okay. Let's go. Okay. भांगड़ा में तो थक गए ना? Okay. थोड़ा सा इजी जाएंगे. ओके अभी ओके इजी नहीं जाएंगे, फन जाएंगे. या Okay, now learning 5 steps. Okay, so we go. Shake. You can shake and shake. Yeah. आजकल बहुत shaking exercises हो रहे हैं ना, पोछा, बर्तन. Yeah. Let's do that. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Yo-yo. Yeah, and walk behind. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just walk behind. Very simple. Walk ahead. First step, shaking hands. Second step, yo-yo. Walk back. Simple. Let's go for it. First step, 2, 3, 4. Second step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super. Yes. Next step. Govinda. Govinda and apna Ranveer. Yeah, so we go down, down, up, up, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Are we good? Easy? I'm just teaching you like 10 steps. कोई choreography नहीं है. 10 steps. सिर्फ copy करो. Yeah? But I'm going to teach you. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. हाथ ऊपर. 2, 3, 4. Move your hip. Even boys, come on. 1, 2. Say no, 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 no. Good till there? Yeah? Going into the next step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy है? ये करना easy है? Yeah? 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, jump, right, left. अभी ये थोड़ा सीख लो, फिर मजा आएगा. हाथ बाहर. Keep your hands out. Look at the left side. Kick with your right leg. Okay, this is my left. My body is facing left. You are my audience here. Right leg kick. Kick, kick. When you're kicking, lean back. Kick, kick. Clap, clap. Kick front. Kick back. When you're kicking in the front, hands are open. When you're kicking back, you're clapping. Can we do that? 5, 6, 7, go. Kick, kick. Kick, kick. Okay, and let's combine it with this. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, kick. Kick, kick. Clap, clap. Abhi suno. I will say kick, kick here. You will say clap, clap there. Correct? And imagine. You don't have to imagine. I have to imagine you say clap, clap. So I'm imagining you say clap, clap. Okay? Come on, quickly. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, kick. Kick, kick. Clap, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, kick. Clap, clap. Kick, kick. Okay. Going into the next one. Last step. Which song is this? Song आ गया? पता चल गया song? Yeah? Goal, 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 man. Goal, 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 man. Na, 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 na. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did y'all get it? Yeah? It's a lovely song. I'm not going to waste time. Just follow me. Yes, I'm dancing. Just follow me. Yeah, let's go. Lovely, guys. Lovely. Whew. Okay. Is the music loud enough? 1 minute. It's very soft. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Did you all get the whole thing? Yeah? I'm going to do it again with the same steps and then last में गोलमाल में जाएंगे. Are we good? Little revision करवा दूँ? Yeah? Okay? So, you remember your steps? Shake. Okay? Yo-yo. फिर से shake. फिर से yo-yo. Round. Okay, ये step सिखा रही हूँ quickly. You go round. Just make a round. Spread your legs out. It's like a sumo squat again. Lot of fitness comes in dance. Yeah? So round and then wave. Okay, a wave. Yeah? Throw your hand up. Curl. Okay, then no. These words, simple words you remember. Then push, head. Push, head. Then this, elbow. Kick, kick, tap. Okay, and we're going to repeat that. And then go into golmal and pointing up and twisting. Yes? Can we go for it? Yeah? Super? Let's go for it. Lovely. One last time. Golmal, and then we go into a little cool down. 5, 6, 7, go.
नमस्ते सलामा आ गए फिर से करने हंगामा पूरी लम्हों को करने गुलामी जश्न रखने सलामी अपना प्रेम से याद आना अपने संग को पिया जाना छोड़े दुनिया से शर्माना जोरों जोरों से तो चिल्लाना
Lovely. Woo. मजा आ गया. Woo. So it's lovely to dance like this. During our regular classes, we really have 6 hours of dancing, but because of the lockdown, it's been a little reduced. But this was super fun. Lots of cardio, lots of sweating, and fun. Lovely, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Yes, let's do a little cool down. Okay, let's go into some cooling exercises. Yeah, relax yourselves. Just stand. Okay, I want to see 5 deep breaths. I'm sure you all are also panting the way I am. Okay, let's just go into 5 deep breaths. Okay, let's go. Pull in a deep breath. Throw out. Again. Throw out. Is the breathing normal? Are you all okay? Yes? Okay. So, deep breathing and let's go into our cool down. Okay, few cooling down exercises. Super. Collect yourselves and down. Relax yourselves, just drop your body down, let loose and swing. Just swing. Leave yourself loose, let your head drop and just swing. And swing. Feel the breeze, your fan, your AC, whatever is on. Feel the breeze, let your body loose. Loosen up, let your hand loose. Lovely. Swing. Feel the breeze. Okay. Collect yourself up. Hold. Release. Chest up. Feel the breeze. Collect the energy. Bend backward. Take deep breaths. Feeling lovely, right? Super. Relax yourselves. Lovely. Right hand, I'm turning so that it's easy for you to understand. You can just watch. Don't turn. Stay there. Right hand on the left scapula. Hold. And up. Head straight. Chin up. Lovely. Slowly release. Left and right scapula. Pull your elbow in. Feel the stretch. Slowly release. Deep breathing. Last exercise. Both on both scapulas. Head up. Chin up. Head straight. Control your breathing. And release. Super. Lovely. Very nice. Last exercise. Go towards the wall. Can you see me? Toes on the wall. Pull yourself ahead. Stretch yourself a little. Pull ahead. Feel the stretch behind. You feel it here. Yes, behind your knee. Very nice. Left side. One more time. Pull. Heel on the ground, toes in the wall, pull. Lovely. Excellent. Are we all good? Yes? I hope I was helpful in you taking away a few steps back. Okay? For the ones who wanted a workout, I hope you all have got that. For the ones who wanted to learn a few steps for a party or say some wedding or some social event, I hope I've been able to give you that. And for the ones who just wanted to have fun for an hour, I hope I've been able to give you that. Thank you so much. This is Nirali Bharat Someshwar signing off. See you all very, very soon. I open the forum for some question and answers, and I will chat with you all for some questions now. See you all. Thanks for being lovely. Thanks for bringing in a lot of positive energy. Thank you. Okay. Okay, is anyone there for a question round? Thank you. Yes, I can't see any questions. Do you all have any questions to ask me? Okay. What is the right time to do dancing steps? Well, you know, frankly, okay, Montu Kansara, I'm answering your question. Okay, the right time to dance is all the time. Okay, it depends on your convenience. We lead very, very busy lives. Okay, but make sure you at least, you know, exercise or dance for 30 minutes in a day. Okay, if not 30 minutes, at least start with 15 minutes. Start with a little warm-up of say 3 minutes. Go to some 10 to 12 minutes of dancing, and then a cool down of 2 to 3 minutes again. Okay, so there is no specific time. Okay, work is worship, so finish work whenever you find time, but before you hit the bed, make sure you've you know, danced or exercised for at least 15 to 20 to 30 minutes a day. Yeah, Montu, that was for you. Okay, any more questions? Thank you. Lovely. I'm glad you got your answer. Lovely. Anyone else for questions? Any more questions? Thank you, Satish. Thank you. Means a lot. Thank you. Thanks, Rajiv. Thank you for this opportunity, Rajiv. Thank you. Lovely to be associated with Jeev Fit and Rajiv. Thanks a lot. Bhaumik, thank you so much. Means a lot. Shiva, thank you. Thanks. Karapusami, thank you, very energetic. Thank you so much. Thank you. What's the ideal duration of dance workout session? Well, I just mentioned it depends on everyone's capacity to work out as well. So you can initially begin with say probably 25 to 30 minutes a day. Okay, if you don't find that much time, you can always begin with 15 to 20 minutes a day, go to 30 minutes, extend to 35, 40, 45 minutes, and ideally come to an hour of workout. So 1 hour of workout is what you should aim at, but it's good to begin slow and steady. So begin with 15-20 minutes and then go ahead. So that's your ideal way to start. Good evening, Hemang. Good evening. Sure, Satish, the session is going to remain on the page. You can always log into the Religare page, okay, the same page that you're viewing it at, and you can, show it to your family and friends, Satish. So the session is going to remain on the page for good. Yeah. Okay, Bhamik, you could, okay, Bhamik, I'll just have the concerned people contact you. Okay, Bhamik, I'll surely get the concerned people to contact you. Any more questions? Good evening, Tanuja. Hi, Sam. Hi, Dhurba. Hi, Hardik. Okay, going in for the last 1 minute of questions. Anyone else for any more questions on dance or fitness? Hi, Vipin. Hi, Amna. Hi. any more people for any more questions. I'm logging off. Hi Samuel. Hi Rahul. Okay guys, thank you for the lovely session, and see you all very soon. Thank you. Bye.